Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore 13 foods that may reduce the risk of cancer. So let's dive in. In this world, there is no pause in diseases and health problems. Today, the majority of people are suffering from health issues such as obesity, hypertension, Pcod, and, not to forget, cancer. It is one of the deadliest and fastest growing diseases, which is quite critical to cure. According to reports, there are an estimated 2 million cases of cancer in the USA every year, which doubles every 10 years. This is an extremely alarming situation that requires immediate attention. However, there is no such food that can help cure cancer, but the good news is that there are some foods that can help reduce the risk of cancer. The prime reason for cancer is unhealthy food habits, which can activate the cancer cells in our body and ultimately lead to suffering. Thus, eating healthy will not only reduce the risk of cancer, but also many other health issues and diseases. The cleaner and greener your meal will be, the healthier you'll be. But before knowing about the healthy foods to eat that may help reduce the risks of cancer, know about the types of cancer that are rapidly growing. Some different types of cancer are thyroid cancer, stomach cancer, gallbladder cancer, pancreatic cancer, ovarian cancer, kidney cancer, endometrial cancer, colon and rectal cancer, uterine cancer, liver cancer, prostate cancer, mouth, throat and esophageal cancer, and breast cancer. Keeping your meals and lifestyle healthy can help you prevent all these types of cancer and other chronic conditions and health issues. Whenever we talk about cancer-fighting foods, these foods must be loaded with phytochemicals, also called phytonutrients. This chemical is found in plants and can help prevent chronic diseases like cancer. More than 4,000 phytochemicals have been discovered and researched. There is not a single food that contains all of them. They all offer different functions and benefits. Here is the list of 13 foods that fight cancer and will reduce the risk of cancer. Number 1. Millet grains. Millets, packed with fiber and antioxidants, can support a healthy diet, potentially reducing cancer risk. Their nutritional richness aids digestion and may lower colorectal cancer risks. So, it's time to incorporate millet for a healthful diet. Number 2. Dried berries. Blueberries, blackberries, and cranberries all contain flavonoids that are packed with anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and are one of the most powerful antioxidants. Eating these berries and other fruits and vegetables probably decreases the risk of lung cancer and can also prevent cancer of the mouth, throat, larynx, stomach, and prostate. Number 3. Nuts. Adding nuts to your diet will not only reduce the risk of cancer, but also it will make your overall health better. You can eat a reasonable portion every day without fearing weight gain. Brazil nuts are high in selenium, which may protect against lung cancer in those with low selenium status. Also, adding nuts to your diet each day may reduce your risk of developing cancer in the future. Number 4. Turmeric curcumin. Fresh turmeric comes from a plant and looks a lot like its close relation to the ginger root. The active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, which is a chemical with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancer effects. Studies have found that it might work against lung, breast, prostate, and colon cancers. Number 5. Beans. Beans, also known as legumes, are rich in those types of phytochemicals that fight against cancer. These phytochemicals are saponins, protease inhibitors, and phytic acids. These chemicals can constrain the generation of cancer cells and slow the growth of tumors. Number 6. Pulses. Pulses like dry beans, peas, and lentils legumes are rich in dietary fibers, resistant starch, phenolic acids, folate, anthocyanins in red and black beans, and tannins, especially proanthocyanidins, all of which may support the growth of health-promoting gut bacteria, the microbiome, that help reduce the risk of the majority of cancers. Number 7. Cinnamon. Dalchinis is well known for its health benefits. It is used in tea, sweets, and even curries for enhancing flavors and for some health benefits. It can reduce blood sugar and ease inflammation. Some studies have found that cinnamon blocks the spread of cancer cells. Cinnamon suppresses the growth of head and neck cancer cells, and it is also significant for reducing tumor size. Number 8. Flax seeds. High in fiber and heart-healthy fats, they also contain a compound called lignans, which may have a protective effect against certain types of cancer. Number 9. Broccoli. Eat broccoli. It's good for your health. You must have heard your mom say this. Well, she's right. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a plant compound found in cruciferous vegetables that may have potent anti-cancer properties. Other cruciferous vegetables, such as cabbage, kale, and cauliflower, contain phytochemicals that fights against cancer cells. Glucosinolates, which produce a protective enzyme that is released when you chew the raw veggie, altering cell walls. Our intestines produce these enzymes, and when raw or cooked broccoli passes through, the enzymes are activated. Number 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are filled with antioxidants called lycopene. This nutrient, called lycopene, has been linked to cancer prevention, particularly for malignancies like prostate and lung cancer. Eating cooked or processed tomatoes, including tomato juice and pizza sauce, makes the cancer-fighting compound more available to your body because heat breaks down the plant's cell walls. Number 11. Carrots. Carrots are packed with disease-fighting nutrients. They contain beta-carbonate antioxidants. Scientists believe carrots may protect cell membranes from toxin damage and slow the growth of cancer cells. Cooked carrots supply more antioxidants than raw ones. Leave carrots whole while steamy or boiling, and cut them down once they get done. This reduces the loss of nutrients, including phycorenol, and gives them a sweetened taste as well. Number 12. Citrus fruits. Studies have found that citrus fruits such as lemons, limes, grapefruits, and oranges have been associated with a lower risk of cancer. People who eat large amounts of citrus fruits have a lower risk of developing cancers of the digestive and upper respiratory tracts. Number 13. Apples. There is probable evidence that apples contain dietary fiber, which decreases the risk of colorectal cancer, weight gain, overweight, and obesity. Apples provide dietary fiber and polyphenol compounds that partner with gut microbes to create an environment that may help reduce the risk of cancer. These are the 13 foods that prevent cancer in the most natural way. Add these foods to your diet, take advantage of them, and live a fit and healthy life. Foods to avoid. All of us grow up eating foods that might taste yummy to eat, but aren't necessarily the best things to eat. Excessive consumption of alcohol and cigarettes, sugar-sweetened foods, and fried foods can all increase your risk of cancer. These are some foods to avoid to reduce your risk of cancer. Thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips and tricks. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring.